How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Toyota Corolla. Pretty simple door panel takeoff. All you should need is a plastic pry bar and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one behind the door handle and one behind the grab handle. I usually just stick this little plastic pry tool between the lock and the cover, kind of pop it free like so. That'll show one of the Phillips head screws. Then as for the grab handle, I like to start at the back, kind of pop it free, kind of work up towards the front. On the back door, on the grab handle, these are plastic towards the back, but on the front there's a metal clip. Sometimes it likes to be a pain. Kind of stick your plastic pry tool in there, kind of pop it free like so, and it'll just be one little clip. Just kind of press down on the tab, pull out, simple as that. Put your wiring harness back in the door, and that will show the two other screws that we need to take out. So just go ahead and take out all three. Alright, now that we have all the screws out, once again, grab your plastic pry tool, start from the bottom, kind of just make a little gap, pop the bottom, work around the edges, and then once you have all the clips popped, you just kind of just wiggle up, kind of like so. So there's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. You're going to have one cover behind the door handle. We'll go ahead and pop that free. Then we'll go ahead and pop our window switch out. Just like so. Go ahead and pop our clips out. On the front door, there's actually a cover on this grab handle we got to pop off. You usually have to start at the back, kind of just go one clip by one. Once you get to the front, there is like a little string, so be careful of that. You kind of have to weasel that out, kind of like so. So just be careful you don't break that. And we're going to have one screw behind the door handle, one up here, then we're going to have one kind of in the middle. So we'll go ahead and start taking those three out. Now that we have our three screws out, make sure you tuck your wiring harness back in there. Grab your plastic pry tool, start towards the bottom. Start popping the clips. Work around the edges. Now that we have all the clips popped, the door handle might come off at the same time, so just be mindful of that. Just go ahead and wiggle up. And there you have it. And usually the door handle pops free. Yeah, just like so. Yeah, so if that does happen, don't freak out. It does actually come in and out. But there you go. So that's the rear door panel and the front door panel on a Toyota Corolla. Thanks for watching.